sword. Get over here. I know jujitsu, punk.
I have my own opinion.
Got your back. I'll help you. Leave him alone. I want to kill you. Get up next time. You're mine now. This is the truth. You aren't so tough. My face okay? Oh, gee. I wonder if I'll ever hit someone. That kind of hurts. Pull that crap. I wish I
Well, you got me out of the test.
You ever been used as a punching man? Whatever. What is it? You keep doing Get off there! What do you got? You keep doing this. You suck big time. On fire! Come on, man! Come on! We are never going to react. You're cruising for a bruising.
Someone hit the slip button.
Hey, get off this now! You're going down! I don't have to keep that up. I want to kill you, Soapy. You're going back to the courthouse. You are not going to make you hurt. Wrong chap. I'm an excellent boxer. I just woke up with my chain. I'm going to take it all out on your face, money. Don't have to. Oh, come on, Mel. I'm going to hurt like my mom. You're going to kill you. Looks like you're a little rusty. Get off there. No problem. What the heck? You better not damage my clothes. Big time. I'll put you in your place. I'm not going to be mine. I want to kill you. I'm an excellent boxer. You fight like my mom. You are messy. That's why they say fools will make the best boxers. You're going to wish you...
Think I've been kicking your butt, huh?
You better not damage my clothes. I'm going to beat your core on you. You better not damage my clothes.
Didn't think I'd be kicking your butt.
I need it. You are messy. Wrong fool.
Oh my! A fire! Oh, a fire! Johnny! A fire!
I'm an excellent boxer.
Oh, God! Cool! Yeah!
Let's go, skinny face. I hate this. Yeah! High five for whoever pulled that. Look at the whip. Yeah! High five for whoever pulled that. You are totally watching with the wrong chap. I'm gonna make you pay for that. Get out. I'm coming out. Come on, man. Come on. You better not damage my clothes. I'll put you in your place. I'm an excellent boxer, you know. I'm gonna make you on my way. I'll get you. I'm gonna break your face. I'll put you down. I'll get you. I'm gonna make you hurt. You're so stupid. You better not damage my clothes. Come on. Leave my... I'm gonna make you pay for that. I'm an excellent boxer, you know. We shoot like a fun. Now who wants to get knocked out by an all-American? Oh, please! I don't want trouble. Sorry. I was just thinking about you. God damn it, we're supposed to work together and she's got the Who doesn't? I can't believe it. She asked one lump or two. Of course I'm the sensible. Get up next time. You think you can take me down? Come on, Curly. You're gonna get cool. Got your back. I can't believe I'm still standing. Don't even think about touching a hand. If I had a sprained wrist, you'd already be...
You ain't any better than me.
What? Another alarm? You keep doing sorry. I'm never going to react again. Stop it! That's it! I pass! Let's go! You weren't so tough. Afraid you're mine now! Oh, you're great! You are the wrong chap. Nice one, shorty. You are don't make me laugh. Hang on! Do I fight you? Wuss! I thought it was tougher than this. You're embarrassing yourself. Now who wants to get knocked out by no American? I'll put you to sleep. Come on, hero. You walk tall, don't you? You guys aren't ever gonna be popular. May as well stop fighting now. I'll roll straight. This blood got your hand. Get your hands up. Get your hands off me!
Get hurt, ain't
Come on, Hero.
on your hand.
Hurts so good!
Not so big now, are you?
Please give up now. My son's getting dirty.
Come on, Hero. You won't fall, don't
Take
you?
it out on me, kid.
What?
Not so big now, are you?
Will you? No!
Set that alarm off.
If you keep doing it, get your cream's going to be another alarm?
Come on, Hero. You won't fall, don't you?
Set that alarm off.
I say, unhappy! You're going down! Here comes your pound cake! I'll put you in your place. Don't get up next time! Leave my friend alone! Can't believe I'm still standing! I got your back. Tyler! I'm gonna stay beat down too, son! Can't believe I'm still standing! I have to wash my legs.
You look like an idiot.
Let me give you a hand!
How's it going?
Your attention, please. Throwing snowballs at anyone is strictly prohibited on school grounds.
You sweet black kid! Don't want any of this! I thought I was a good
What's up?
hit you till you love me!
That's not cool. You want some of me?
Cool the fire! Cool the fire! Johnny! A fire! Another alarm? Are you an idiot, Hop? It's pound cake time! I hope that someone hit us with Let's see how tough you really are.
Now, are you?
You suck! Break your
Come on,
face!
Hero.
I want to kill you! Come on! Mom says I have a real temper! You'll see!
You suck. Not so big now, are you?
You're such a new head! You're going down! I'm gonna break your face!